I'm back with a new video, and this time it's another unboxing, but it's not like a first time unboxing for myself. I have unboxed it ages ago and I've actually used the bag for a couple of weeks now, but I suppose it's like an unboxing for this new channel that I'm doing, and it'll be exciting. Well, I've kept all the packaging, so might as well do this. I will be doing a review and what's in my bag of this particular piece in the future, but I just thought for more content I might as well do the unboxing first and then the what's in my bag. But anyways, you can probably hear like the box is right next to me. As I've said, I've kept all the packaging, you know, just in case I might want to sell it on again. It's always good to keep the receipt, the authenticity card, the full packaging. I don't think the ribbon makes too much of a difference, but mostly the box, the dust bag. Yeah. Anyways, let's just get on with this unboxing. I will hold it up here. Oh yeah, by the way, if I'm looking back, it's because I've got a little hand mirror behind the viewfinder so I can sort of like see what's going on. But yeah, I got a piece from Dior. This is a gift from my family and it's a really lovely gift, but I just wanted to make that clear. It's not a paid post, obviously, because this is a new channel, so that would be very weird. So it's a beautiful, clean, white box with the Dior grey, Dior written on it. And open the box. Okay, this is not the actual bag because it's in the dust bag, so we're gonna have to take it out of the dust bag. Basically, they've wrapped it full of wrapping paper. You've got the accordion folded paper at the bottom. There's the authenticity card in here along with a huge booklet of stuff, but basically keep the authenticity card. You will definitely need that in the future. I mean, it's just good to keep, but if you want to sell it on, you will have to keep the authenticity card. So here is the bag inside the dust bag. It's a white cotton dust bag with obviously Dior written in grey again, and you just pull open this drawstring and then I'll reveal the bag. Ta-da! I got the Diorama in the medium size in the classic Dior grey. Now this color is actually called Dior grey. If you search it up on Google, it's like a legit registered color and it's their classic grey. I really like this color. While I was choosing the bag, there were two different greys that the guy in the store was showing me. The Dior salesman, consultant, I don't think they're called consultants, just salesmen, I suppose. There were two greys, and one was a more darker bluish tone, and this one is the true Dior grey, I suppose. And I definitely wanted to go for the classic grey. An interesting fact about this design is that these lines here are the Dior monogram, like magnified. So I will insert a picture of the Dior sort of pattern somewhere in the video, and all of this is just, it's the pattern zoomed in pretty much. Let's look at some of the features of this bag. It's got a magnetic closure at the front. You pretty much just pull it like that. All right. It's got a strap with the metal chains and a leather shoulder strap part that can be worn single strapped or double strapped like this, or crossbody. I do kind of prefer crossbody most of the time because it leaves both your hands free. So that's the exterior of the bag, and when you open the bag, it was packaged with cardboard little paper on the side to keep the shape, but I've taken that out and I think I've misplaced it somewhere. But they do have, I still kept the bottom white. Oh, I'm trying to see it in the viewfinder. Can you even see it? Yeah, that little felt bit. Well, you can take that out. I like keeping it in there just so my bag doesn't get dirty, even when I'm using it. It's got one zipped compartment here, and it's also got an open compartment here. So that's pretty much the bag. I'll give you like a 360 view of it. It's got the design at the back as well, and another interesting fact is that the bottom is supposed to be designed like a book. So if you were to put a book on the bookshelf, it'll pretty much look like this, like a huge encyclopedia or something like that. Anyways, this will just be a short video. It's just an unboxing. I will do an in-depth review and what's in my bag and what this can hold very, very soon. I really hope you enjoyed this. The Diorama is actually one of my favorite bags. It's one I had my eye on for such a long time. It's like the holy grail of all bags to me. I was deciding between like a Chanel Boy and Diorama, and I thought, yeah, Diorama looks really beautiful, and I'm thinking it's gonna be a classic. I'll give more information in the review. But anyways, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. This is a new channel, so I'm hoping to build it up. It's basically just me talking about bags, honestly. When I'm not working and doing my other stuff. This is what I do in my room. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye.